Science is based on one of the most basic human traits, that of curiosity. If you are curious, you will observe. If you observe, you will understand. And if you understand, you will build knowledge. I personally do science because I find it beautiful. It's like art. All of us know that oil and water do not mix. Yet you use so many materials in daily life, like hand lotions, creams, that are suspensions of tiny nanoscopic oil droplets in water. So how do you mix oil and water? You do that by adding soap-like molecules that reduce the tendency of oil to separate from water. A similar problem is faced in the biological world by cell membranes. So cell membranes are the outer walls of our cell, and they partition certain molecules and proteins into tiny droplets called rafts. It's a big question in the field, how do rafts form and what plays the role of soap here? My lab at the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, works on this question, and I'm often asked by the general public, oh, so what disease are you going to cure once you know how rafts form? Or which drug are you going to come up with? Now, these questions are inherently asking the need and importance of basic science. So to this, I'll take you back to what once my undergraduate professor mentioned to us, that science is based on one of the most basic human traits, that of curiosity. If you're curious, you will observe. If you observe, you will understand. And if you understand, you will build knowledge. Now, interestingly, the scientific knowledge is often separated from its product or technology by decades and sometimes even centuries. For example, Kepler figured out the laws that govern the planetary motion around sun in 17th century. And we use these exact same laws today to launch satellites. Marie Curie discovered radioactivity in a quest to understand the subatomic nature of matter. And decades later, the same materials were used to treat cancer. So I would say our immediate products are actually our students who we teach and train in becoming the next generation scientific, logical, rational thinkers. And when they translate this rational thinking in their real lives, they become one of the most responsible members of the society. And I personally do science because I find it beautiful. It's like art. And I am excited to get up 6 o'clock in the morning wondering, what am I going to see under the microscope today? I would close by quoting a quote from Keats, which I have modified, which says that beauty is truth. And for me, truth is nothing but science. That is all we know and all we need to know. Thank you.